one good thing. This car has not GPS, but it has compass. It shows if you're going west, northwest, east, whatever, south. You see that letter W? Southwest now. So we can literally locate ourselves. That is so cool. It helps a lot, trust me. Know where you're going. That's more than enough. You know, for instance, you want to go to Christianstad, is all the way to the east. Frederickstad, all the way to the west. Our place, north. Airport and rental cars. It is in the south here in St. Croix. So you find yourself beyond this beautiful view. You need to follow us, guys, as soon as you can to watch all these wonders. Look at this chunky baby. Oh yeah. Everything working fine. No big deal at all. Hell yeah. So after all that drama with the car, remember the mirror on the left was broken? Guess what? I found the part that was missing, and that's the final result. Oh, I'm sorry. The beach is blinding us. That's it. Brand new. I fixed everything. All done. All right. Just like the other one. It's completely fixed. I think her name will be Tao. But I fixed everything. That's it. Island vibe with a touch of a little bit more effort into it. Done. Our car is fixed. Stay with this view, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to send messages and learn everything about tiny homes in the Caribbean.